Look your fire. Don't hold it. Over here. Over here is. Over here is the other. So over here is the other one. I don't know. What? Okay. This is mainly like all this you know, remember Pacific Mall? This is here?
Yeah.
It's summer, right?
This is better discipline.
Yeah. This is all photo. This is all the people camera. You would like something. I can't, when I buy stuff like this, I have to call my kid wife, come with it, because she's a very good bargain still.
Yeah, you could barely even.
Yeah. I know a lady scam or something. Yeah.
To me, I don't.
Yeah. I tried to call her, but we can't get connected.
Oh.
Huh? She would like something like this. So what are you looking at? Are we?
No.
Yeah.
They have.
Yeah.
You got Gucci bag?
Yeah. They're all kinds. See here.
Tô cá, maybe that tô knee.
I
Pretty
can't
nice.
wear like that. Can't wear
Me
like-
maybe, right?
Yeah, I don't know you, but
Before we go, we're gonna bet.
yeah, but I yeah. Hello. Ở đây. So you come out, you come back to here.
Banyak. Itu kan patungnya mah. Patung Hindu.
Yeah. You walk this way. Yeah?
This brand, one T-shirt's $700
Yeah.
in USD. This one, like one shirt is $700.
This one?
Yeah, the real one. Yeah,
Yeah.
very expensive brand.
Cha vâng. Nó có tôm trắng không chị?
Yeah. Oh, the other market. This is don't come much, right?
You wanna walk? You walk.
It's a little bit far away from here, but yeah. Yeah.
Maybe before we go to the wedding.
Yeah,
I
because,
think like Spy Jung,
yeah. Let's see, okay?
like Tom Ford.
Yeah.
I don't.
Right now, today I don't want to buy too much because you're walking a lot of walking and I will carry it. Drink.
Miên buôn nhai cao.
Yeah.
We got fun.
Yeah.
Trong bán Spy Jung today, like sandal.
I have my sandal.
Why don't you
But
wear sandals?
it's just very easy to walk. A little bit hard, but yeah. Yeah.
You can buy how those like loose.
Yeah.
How do you say loose in Cambodia? Like baggy.
The long.
The long, yeah. Like doing the long.
All this food.
Chưa mà.
Yeah.
Cái lúc mà bán rồi thì được. Mà không mà. Họ có chất
So, you said to text him when we're done, or we don't gotta text him.
He's gonna work.
We find our own way.
Yeah. I don't get crap for him. Yeah.
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 I don't really want to bother because her daughter's.
Yeah. That's the reason is I walk today because I don't wanna. And he was saying about his wife out to market and buy
No.
stuff for lunch, stuff like that. And I say I don't know, be back.
It's a big city.
Yeah, big city. Yeah.
Not she should definitely thin.
She can't walk away from anything. Yeah.
You think Matt would be bargain or not?
She doesn't have that bargain.
Still.
Yeah. It's every time we do.
You could barely even get like $1.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
To me, it's like I can't bargain. I just give you a moment. Because I know in South Canada it's expensive. So.
Yeah. I wanted some money exchange over here, but here, wanna change some real, yeah. This way go out. Maybe walk this way or just it's a smell like walk this way.
Nhưng mà cây con từ nơi nó bây giờ cây con lấy ra từ lên xem lên con
Feel like heater, huh?
nè câu này
Sao tôi làm được
Huh? Where?
maybe they give you like a direction.
ập miên gì ba bánh hơi tay ập miên gì ba ôi thèm điên bọn đừng chẳng ơi
đang nói yêu đoan xài rồi lấy gì xe mày đi chưa
một đáy được lâu
That's a food smell. She come over here. She wants to may walk away from my daughter.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. She would love all these food. Right? And this is good. I suppose
bánh canh nhân lâu nhân
Tom yum high. See, that's supposed to come here and eat, right? But still all kinds. All kinds. Yeah.
Maybe if you want.
I don't
Also,
know.
somewhere nice.
Yeah.
You gotta get used to scanning phone.
Yeah.
You scan a lot of QR codes.
Yeah.
You wanna like start.
Yeah. We don't have that.
Yeah, you open the camera.
Yeah.
It's in the camera. You open up your camera and scan it.
When the face?
Yeah.
I don't know how that's better than.
I can do it.
Yeah, you can do it. Let's try it out. Let's try it, okay?
No, then.
Yeah.
Tận nhạc miền thôn kia đã
It's a wet matter. Really smell it.
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah. You know Mark Cowboy about dry shrimp? I think it's around this area. Huh? It's dry shrimp.
đạt trong trâu
mấy lên chứ
Walk this way. Throughout the lot of garbage. We're gonna. I find where the kind of dry stuff, right? Can't find fried food, right? Where they have fried food. Okay. So you really used to walk, right? Huh? That's a lot of walk.
Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
When we're done walking, we're going
Yeah, yeah.
or do taxi.
Yeah.
Maybe to keep it faster. Because you get the tourist experience.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's how we need, right?
We've
Yeah.
kind of been missing that.
Yeah, yeah.
Because when around
It's here. That's how it's more than it. Yeah, yeah, dry fish thing right here.
want some dry fish?
Yeah,
Then,
yeah. This is it.
This one? Thailand? Vietnam? Cambodia?
Cambodia. chăm chích tới tiền.
Sống nha được ca mới tới một. Thầy ca anh chơi mà chui một.
Ok.
Anh bắn tôi coi từ lính rồi.